I've taken a home loan and I'm really worried how my family would repay it if something were to happen to me. What should I do? Why don't you go for term insurance? Hi everyone, this is Say Nikita Punjabi here and welcome to my channel. Very recently, I decided to buy term insurance. What is term insurance? It's about insuring your life. You have to pay a small fee every year to ensure the risk of your life. If something were to happen to you tomorrow, an uncertain event that led to your untimely demise, your family would get a lump sum amount. Who will pay the amount? The company with whom you take this term insurance. This is a pure and simple life insurance policy without anything attached to it. It is about insuring your life. Why should you buy term insurance? Let's say you have a home loan, or you have dependent parents, or you have dependent children. So in such scenarios, it is good and it is necessary to cover the risk of your life. Now, when I decided to buy a term insurance policy, I came across Ditto. Ditto is an advisor backed by Zerodha. Ditto gives millennials free advice on insurance and no spamming at all. It is made by the same guys who have made FinShots. Now, I had an amazing experience with them because, like I said, they give you free advice and they don't spam you at all. I think that is awesome. They help you make an informed decision about the insurance that you're about to buy. So they tell you what the insurance product is. They tell you what are the terms that are involved. They tell you about the important terms that you will find in the policy, but you never read about it. So they help you make an informed decision. Now, the problem generally is that anyone who's selling insurance tries to sell something where they're going to get higher commissions, right? But Ditto doesn't do that. They will give you an option to make your own choice. They do not push you that you have to take an XYZ policy because they're probably getting higher commissions. They just give you options, and based on those options, you can choose what you want. Personally, I love taking informed decisions. I want to know what I'm doing and I want to be in control of the insurance policy that I'm buying. So that's why I chose Ditto. Now, the process was amazing. I went to their website and I booked a WhatsApp consultation with them. Now, one of their agents got back to me on WhatsApp and started having a conversation with me. During that conversation, that agent tried to find out what I was looking for. So I said that I was looking for term insurance. And then they tried to find out some more information on the basis of which they made amazing suggestions. So they asked me information like, on a tentative basis, how much was I earning, how much were my expenses, what is my age bracket. And by getting all of this information, they let me decide how much cover do I need for my term insurance. After, when I had decided which policy I wanted to buy based on that conversation that we had on WhatsApp, one of their agents met me on Google Meet while I was filling the application for the insurance. He guided me through the entire process just to see that I don't make any major errors while filling that form. So all in all, it was a great experience. If you want to try Ditto, the link is in the description below. So how do you choose term insurance? How do you decide what is the best cover for you? We're going to find out in the next part of this video. You're required to decide your term insurance on the basis of your annual income, on the basis of your expenses, on the basis of for how long, the duration that you want to be covered for. These are some of the factors that will help you decide how much policy should you buy. Then you also need to decide, do you need certain waivers in the policy? Then you also need to decide if there are any existing liabilities that you have. So you should have enough cover so that your incomes, your expenses, your liabilities minus your savings are all covered. Let me give you an example. Say your current income is 8 lakh a year and your expense is rupees 30,000 a month, your family expense. Let's say you were 27 years old. Now, you decide that you want to cover yourself until the age of 65. You can choose 60, 65, 70, that depends on you. But up to the age of 65 is a good cover. Now, in such a scenario where you know that your family expense currently is 30,000 a month, you need to be covered for the next 38 years. That is 65 minus 27. How do you decide how much cover is optimum? So let's do a simple calculation. 30,000 is your expense and you want to be covered for this expense for the next 38 years, which is 65 minus 27. And you deduct your savings from that. Now, mind you, there are a lot of ways to do this calculation. How much cover do you need entirely depends on what you think is best for your family. How much cover you need depends on what are your current liabilities and how much risk are you wanting to take. How much premium can you afford? All these factors help you decide the cover. But to give you a simple calculation, if I were to decide, I would say 30,000 are my expenses for a period of 38 years, right? And let's say I adjust them for savings later on. So that comes to 1 crore 14 lakhs minus your savings, whatever you expect. So let's say you go for a term insurance cover of 1 crore. Now this is a very simple calculation that I made. In this case, if you have liabilities and you want an added cover, you can find out if that particular company gives you an added cover. Again, all of this also depends on your income. Can you really afford the kind of premium that comes? But mind you, term insurance premiums are not very high. They are extremely affordable provided you take this insurance at an early stage of your life. What do I mean by early? It could be your early 20s or your mid 20s. That would be a great time to take term insurance. Now, what Ditto did right for me is they made me understand all of this in that WhatsApp conversation that I had with them. If I decided that something was not right for me, suppose they suggested a cover of 1.5 crores, but I said that no, I'm okay with 1 crore, they did not push me to go for a higher cover. So that is why I enjoyed buying insurance from them, and that is why I want all of you to experience that too. You can go to the link in description and check out their website. They have a lot of details about health insurance, term insurance, life insurance in general. You can check out the details and decide for yourself if you want any of these policies, and you can book a consultation with them. They give amazing advice. So if you're looking to buy insurance, you might as well take an informed decision for yourself. So go check out their website and thank me later. My name is Nikita, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video.